Voting by post. If you're going to be away from home on polling day, or you're unable to get to the polling station for any reason, you can apply to vote by post. To vote by post, you need to complete an application. You can contact your local council for information on how to apply. You'll need to give your signature and date of birth on your application form, and you'll need to give these again when you cast your vote. This is to confirm who you are. You don't need photo ID to vote by post. A postal vote pack will be sent to you before the election. Follow the instructions and put everything back in the free post pre-addressed envelope and post it to your council to be counted. If you forget to post your vote, it can be dropped off at a polling station on the day of the election. Remember, your postal vote needs to get back to your council by 10 p.m. on polling day if you want your vote to be counted in the election. Learn more about your vote at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.